You already know from the title of the video, the blonde bombshell is back. Did you miss me?
She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
All right, let's go ahead and jump into this video. LUVME sent me over a new unit. She's a blondie. I love the blondes, and girl, this straight out the pack was everything. It is a closure unit, so no worry about like a big frontal. You can put her on, put her off, glue her on if you want or not. My first thing is I'm going to look at the unit, see what's going on with the lace and like just what we'll need to do to customize it. She is ventilated in the back, so you'll have some breathing room for the back, and she comes pre-curled. I like the pre-curled units because this means she's going to hold a curl really well. You know, she is built to hold a curl. These are little utensils, a comb, an edge brush, and a clip. Now, girl, don't worry about my braids. My braids have been through a lot of styles. I don't even have a middle part for a middle part, but let's see how this lace looks on my cornrow braids. Boom. You cannot even see that I have braids underneath. We do not have a wig cap underneath or anything. I put her straight on top of the braids. Okay, so just from initially putting her on, I'm like, okay, this is a cute unit. I love the dark roots. The dark roots is so me. If you are a black girl doing blonde, please, my love, please get you some dark roots. Now, what we're going to do, we got to push back my baby hairs. So she's just using some Got To Be to, you know, push us back, slick us back so the baby hairs are not in the way if we do want to glue this down. I didn't know if I want to do a glueless or put some glue on. But so she's just slicking us back. You want to make sure to do this step so all of your hair is out the way for any wig install. Now she's going to go in with a blow dryer just so that hairline is slicked back how we want it. And then she took the wig over to a little corner and she was doing some plucking. I said, oh, the girls need to see this too. Just a little bit of plucking. We want that hairline to look natural. So a little bit behind the hairline was just a little bit thick. We just want to make sure it's seamless from the hairline back so it gives a natural look. So now that she did her plucking, let's go ahead and put her on. Ooh, you see the hairline? You see? It's looking natural. We didn't put it on and it looks big and bumpy. It's looking good. Just straight out the box. A light plucking. So now we're going to go in with the Got To Be spray to put her down. And when you're using the spray, you know, you either have to do a blow dryer or put a band on. So we're going to go ahead after this with the band and put it on just to lock in that seal. We need to lock it in so it don't move. So we initially went with the glueless method. So kind of showing both in this video. This is the glueless method. And now we're brushing out the hair. She is so soft and so bouncy. And she's going to give me some layers. We need some layers to this. And she asked me, Jayla, do you want to do curtain bangs? And I didn't really like, I think I might have did it one time before, but I couldn't really remember. I'm like, okay, yeah, let's do curtain bangs. What's a curtain bang? My hairstylist, Foreign Styles in Atlanta, baby, if you want a curtain bang, she gonna curtain bang you. But also get into this hot comb. She is using this hot comb to make sure this unit is flat. You need a hot comb for these wig units. And then she's pushing that hairline back with a hot comb. So that's going to make it look more natural. You need a hot comb to do this. Next, we're going to jump into some layers. Now, I don't know how to do layers, so y'all got to watch this clip. You see how she takes it from my nose, mouth area, and then takes the shears and goes down. The curls in this unit made it easy for layers, so you actually see where to cut. As you can see, she's going to take it from that curl piece and shear it down at an angle. And the curls are popping even more with layers. This is the transformation that layers can do, especially with curls. When you want a curled look, layers can make or break your curl. You can't be trying to get the bombshell curls and you got a 26-inch with no layers. How? And so now we're doing the bang area. Now she is going to take this bang area a little bit short for the curtain effect. The curtain effect is basically you can't see. Y'all gonna see. So she is taking it from the center, cutting down. She's doing the opposite side with the layers. I just want to keep this in here so y'all can really see what it takes to make your units pop with layers, because I'm not the layer person. She the layer person, but I'm taking notes, writing this as I'm watching it too, girl. Okay? Anytime I gotta be a kitchen cosmetologist, okay, we can do it. But the curls automatically pop more once we put those layers in it. For sure. Would you say? All right, now that we have our layers in, it looked amazing. She's going to go ahead and re-curl me. It has curls, but we want to just define the curls even more, put some heat on it. So she is curling my entire head and giving me my bangs a nice little curl as well. Now, after she curls my hair, she's going to put some of those like sticky rollers at the front, like Velcro kind of rollers at the front to lock in that kind of curtain look. She's about to grab it right now. This is what they look like right here. You know, the Velcro, the one that sticks on. That's what you're going to want for this curtain bang look, to like lock it in and really seal in that like curl. So when she took him out, this is how the curtain bang looks. She even put a little clip right there because she wants the bangs to really be in your face. She really wants you to not see. It's a reason why they call it a curtain bang. It's the curtain bang because you can't see, baby. But they cute. They cute. You about to see. You about to see how the end comes. So this was not curtained enough for her. She actually wanted the bangs to be cut a little bit more. But first, let's cut this lace off. Now, I love this unit just because, baby, the lace was looking so good. I knew that without the lace, it was going to be a good unit. You see how she cut that lace off on that side and it looked like the lace side? Yes. Yes. That is how you do a lace. That's how we want the lace to be. I mean, I know it's lace, so obviously you're going to see a little bit of it, but I want it to damn near that you don't. You know, I want it to look that good that no, you don't. So this is a lace on this unit. Absolutely loved it. Love, love, love. Look at me. I'm like, oh, okay. Okay, girl. So now she's playing with my hair because my hairstylist is a perfectionist. This is what I'm talking about with the curtain. She like, it's not curtain enough. She's like, ooh, how can we put it more in her face so she can't see more? She takes this hot comb. She hot combs all the hair back because you want it to give a little poof, a little at the top. So you got to give volume. The hot comb pushed back gives the volume. See how the volume just came in? I'm like, okay. And then she just keep making me not be able to see more. More not being able to see. I said, girl, these curtain bangs, what am I gonna do with this on the road? But girl, it's looking good though. It's looking good. So let's come on. Let's keep going. So I do think she's gonna cut me a little bit more. She's gonna cut my bang area just a little bit more. Look, she's going to go get them scissors. She is going to go get them scissors. Oop, she couldn't wait. Well, I couldn't see, so we had to do something. So boom, she's taking the layers up a tad bit more to give me some eye room. This is what I think she's giving me. She really don't care about my eye room. She really don't care I can't see. She said, did the bang look? Ooh, curtain. Trying to open the curtains up. But girl, it look good. But just know you're going to be, trying to get that one little eye open. You're going to try to get that eye open. Ooh, but it was looking so good, it don't matter. Let me take this cape off. So once I take the cape off, I got to get into these curtains. I got to get into it. I still can't see, girl. Still, is the seeing is, but it looked good. Let me know in the comments, would you do the curtain bang? Now the curtain bang, whew, child. Look, I'm still trying to figure it out. So we did decide to go ahead and glue her down. After I saw her, I thought that like, oh, I'm just gonna take her off in a few days. No, who's gonna take off the blonde bombshell? No. So you see the glue? The glue is non-existent. You want to get your glue, it goes from white to non-existent. If it's not non-existent, do not put that lace on your head. You want the glue to look non-existent. So she is putting me down. My hairstylist likes us to put our head back so she can see the lace and put it on there. We don't want no rippling or nothing. So she scoots us down lower so she can literally see, you know, what she doing. And then we are on. This unit, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I've been getting so many compliments on this unit. The girls love when I go back blonde. Okay? They're like, black is cool. And then when I am blonde, people be like, oh, we really miss you black. But baby, the blonde just does something. It just does something. So this is her final little touch-ups on my hair. And then baby, she gets the blow dryer. My hairstylist understands the assignment. She said, Beyonce. And now we present Beyonce. This unit is everything. You need this in your collection. You need this in your collection. I love her down. Girl, y'all know sometimes I sell my wigs. This will not be one of them. This one will not be on Jayla's Closet for resale. I'm so sorry. So sorry to y'all. So sorry to you, girly. But baby, this one is staying in my collection. I gotta wear her. She's everything. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and me reviewing this wig unit. I really love her. Like, you see the material. It's hard to deny this one. She's amazing. She's great. I'm going to have the links in my description box so you guys can click and get you one. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
You said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one. Yeah. You with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain